is how we're looking. We kind of put all the little pieces in their slots. I'm a big like matte guy. Not everyone is, but I just like to keep it protected and organized. Samikas looks like these, so we have different vibes for sure. Like she has her white antenna, motherboard, all that stuff. Mine's more like black and brown. But this is where we stand. We're gonna start.
1, 2, 3, go!